Welcome to another episode of Mom and Me Bombs. Here we present you with a decoration of a cake which is special and unique. 2021. The specialty is we are using piping bags without nozzles. The base is a chocolate cake and we are just showing you the ingredients here. You can design it like this also.
It is very attractive.
Here are the ingredients. To know in detail about the ingredients and the instructions, please check our description box and the links given below. Here we are using buttermilk, oil, coffee mixture and eggs, and we are using an electric egg beater. You can also use a hand beater. Coffee enhances the taste of chocolate. Transfer the batter to a greased pan which is 8-inch or 9-inch and bake it in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for 30 to 45 minutes or till the skewer comes out clean. In between, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. See, our cake is ready. After the cake has cooled down, we are going to frost it. For that, whipped cream and food color gel are needed. To know how to whip the cream and use the food color gel, please check the description box given below. Now, cut the cake as we are showing here and keep that aside. On the top of the other cake, spread some whipped cream and place the shaped cake on top as we are showing here. Next, spread a layer of whipped cream on this layered cake as we are showing here. You can add more whipped cream if you want. Then into a piping bag, after placing a nozzle, fill it with the whipped cream and design the cake as we are showing here. You can use any nozzle you want. Then cover the entire cake with the shape, leaving the top portion free. To do this decoration, patience is needed. Here, we use 2 to 3 cups of whipping cream for the whole cake. See, we have completed one step. It's lovely. Coming to the attractive part of our decoration, into some piping bags, fill them with colored whipped cream and carefully cut the edge of the piped bag. Be sure that you do not cut it more. Then design the top of the cake as you can see here. The whole procedure of designing this cake will take almost 2 hours. For making 2021, we used fondant. This can be homemade or bought from the store. Next, decorate the whole cake with small strips as shown here. Isn't it turning out something special and unique? Don't you feel like tasting it? Next, we designed using cold strawberry glaze which was bought from the market, and in this case also, while using the piping bag, make sure you cut the edge properly and carefully. Giving it a finishing touch. This is with yellow whipped cream. If you liked our recipe, please hit the like button and share this with your friends and family. Look at our completed cake. It looks unique, doesn't it? Happy New Year to all our viewers, and hope you all have a blessed year ahead. Thanks a lot for supporting us, and please feel free to give your comments in the comment box. See, it's attractive and delicious. It's not just as you see, it is really tasty.
It is really tasty and yummy.
It's always best consumed within 3 days. Please check out our description for more about this cake. Please like, share and subscribe and click on the notification bell to get our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.